Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Children, we see many people doing many jobs around us. Name some jobs, works that we see around us. What are the common works we see people in the villages doing? What jobs people doing in our village?
Cobbler,
Yes, cobbler, potter, carpenter, yes. Huh? Fisherman, yes. Washerman, shepherd, very well, very good. Yes, doctor, tailor, yes. Policeman, very good. Farmer, very good. So these different works people do in our village. Okay? Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about bridging gap activity picture 2. Now all of you open the English textbook page number 2. Have you opened all? Okay. Now observe the picture, all of you. Observe the picture. All of you observe the picture. Page number 2. Okay. So name the place in the picture. Yes, it is village. So children, we write the words in left side, naming words in left side of the board. Village. It is village. So we write naming words in left side and we write action words in the right side. So these are in the left side, these are in the right side. So after written these words, we make sentences in middle line. Okay? Okay. So this is village. How is the village? How is the village? ఎలా ఉంది village?
బాగుంది సార్.
Yes, fine. ఇంకా it is calm. It is calm and it is peaceful. It is peaceful. Calm and peaceful. Children, you observe here. Hey, listen. You observe here village. Village. It is two-syllable word. It is two-syllable word. Village. Yes, it is two-syllable. Calm. It is one-syllable word. Peaceful. It is two-syllable word. Peaceful. So next, what do you? Who do you see in the picture? Who do you see in the picture? Who? Who do you see in the picture? ఎవరు చూస్తారు మీరు ఇందులో? So, yes, they are all villagers. They are all villagers. 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 It is tri-syllable word. Villagers. Next, what are the people doing here? What are the people doing here? Yes, they are doing different works. They are doing different works. They are doing different works. Different. It is also a tri-syllable word. Works. So it is one syllable word. So they do different works. What is the man making pots called? What is the man? Children, everyone look here. What is the man making pots called? What is the man making pots called? పిలుస్తారు. ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? Yes, he is potter. He is a potter. He is a potter. He is a potter. మేకింగ్ పార్ట్స్ మేకింగ్ మ్యాన్ ఏమనాలి మనం పాటర్ er యాడ్ చేయాలి ప్రిఫిక్స్ కాకుండా సఫిక్స్ అంటే చివర్లో er యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇఫ్ యు యాడ్ సఫిక్స్ er ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు పాటర్ ఏమవుతుంది పాటర్ సో నెక్స్ట్ అండి హూ ఇస్ ద మ్యాన్ క్యారింగ్ ఏ ప్లాఫ్ కాల్డ్ హూ ఇస్ ద మ్యాన్ క్యారింగ్ ప్లాఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ప్లాఫ్ క్యారింగ్ ప్లాఫ్
farmer
called
farmer
yes he is a farmer he is a farmer he is a farmer he is a farmer who is the person carrying the fish who is the person carrying the fish
Fisherman.
yes he is a
Fisherman.
fisherman yeah
Fisherman.
a fisherman next what is the man making furniture called what is the man making furniture called
Carpenter.
yes carpenter who is he he is a carpenter yeah
Carpenter.
he is carpenter see potter 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 it is two syllable word farmer farmer it is two syllable word fisher fisherman it is tri syllable word carpenter it is also tri syllable word so if you learn this way syllabically if you learn syllabically you remember long time so it is useful to pronounce and as well as it is useful to remember of spelling of that word okay so you follow the syllabical way okay so next who is sitting under the tree yes he is a cobbler he is a cobbler he is a cobbler he is a cobbler చూడండి cobbler two syllabical word it is two syllabical word so next who is the man taking the sheep for grazing who is the man
shepherd
yes he is
shepherd
he is shepherd a shepherd yeah he is a shepherd he is a shepherd see shepherd it is two syllabical word shepherd so these are the naming words now we okay now you say what is happening there what actions are happening there okay what is the farmer doing here
going to
yes he is going and
work
carrying a plough
Plough.
carrying a
Plough.
so action do you know my action what is action action means work
Pandu.
action means work so what action is doing carrying a plough carrying a plough do you know plough what is plough this is plough so what to do with this is farmers make field ready with this with the plough okay next what is the potter doing here
making pots
making pots making pots Making pots. Next, what is the cobbler doing here? Mending. బాగు చేయడాన్ని, రిపేర్ చేయడాన్ని ఏమంటారు? Mending. So he is mending slippers. Mending slippers. What is he doing? Mending slippers. He is mending slippers. Parshit, listen. Next, what is the carpenter doing here? What is the carpenter doing here? Carpenter. What is he doing?
Making.
He is making furniture. He is making furniture like table, doors, windows. So these are called furniture. So he is making furniture. He is making furniture. Making, do you know making? Making అంటే ఏంది? చేయడము. Making furniture. Yes. What is the fisherman doing? What is the fisherman doing here?
Taking
What is the
fishes.
fisherman doing here? Bringing fish. Bringing fish. What is he doing? Bringing fish. Fisherman is bringing fish. Yes. Next, what is the shepherd doing here? What is the shepherd doing here?
Taking sheets.
Yes, taking his sheep
Great
back
bundle.
home, return to home. Taking his sheep, taking his sheep back home. I will say later. Go. Okay. So these are the action words. These are the naming words. So now we make sentence with action words and action. Naming words with action words. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now write with village. How to make a sentence with village?
Villagers are going to work.
It is a village.
Village.
Or this is a village. 336, 511, 314, 418, 18, 321, 324, 24, 25. పాజ్ అవుతారు అలాంటప్పుడు గదే నీది టెక్నిక్. అర్థమైందా? తెలివే ఉండాలి. పాజ్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కదా, మధ్యలో డిస్టర్బ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? పాజ్ అవుతారు. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి? అప్పుడు ఆన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ తనాలి. సో we make the sentence with village. Shall we make the sentence with village? Can we make the sentence with village? This is a village. Yes. Sentences. This is a village. Next, calm and peaceful. What? How do we write with sentence with calm and peaceful?
Villagers are peaceful.
The village is calm. The village is calm. The village is calm. The village is calm. And it is peaceful. It is a peaceful village. It is a peaceful village. It is a peaceful village. And next, villagers. The villagers are
Going to
busy.
work.
The villagers are busy with different works. The villagers are busy with different works. The villagers are busy with works or with different works. So next, a potter. What is potter doing?
The potters make
What is making pots? What is a potter doing here? A potter is making pots, or the potter is making pots. The potter is making pots. And next, a farmer. Who will make the sentence with the farmer? Who will make? A farmer.
Farmer is carrying a plough.
Farmer is carrying a plough. The farmer is carrying అంటే ఎదురా మోయడం. Carrying a plough. The farmer is carrying a plough. Carrying a plough. So next, fisherman. What is the fisherman doing? Fisherman
is bringing fish.
Fisherman is
Bringing fish.
You can write here. 6th sentence. The fisherman is bringing fish, not fishes. Fish is plural. Fish, singular fish, also fish, and plural form also fish. Okay. The fisherman is bringing fish. So next, who is a carpenter? What is the carpenter doing here?
Making furniture.
Yes, the carpenter is making furniture. The carpenter is making furniture. Next, who is cobbler? So what is the cobbler doing? He is mending slippers. The cobbler is mending slippers. Next, shepherd. What is the shepherd doing here? Shepherd is
taking his sheep
back home. In the evening, the shepherd taking his sheep back home. In the morning, what is he doing in the morning? The shepherd is taking his sheep for grazing. In the morning, he takes his sheep for grazing. In the evening, he takes his sheep back home. Return home. So now, the shepherd is taking his sheep back home. So these are the sentences happening in the picture. So who can read? Who is that person? Can you read? You come forward and read. Come forward. Read this. Is there a stick here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Read.
Village.
Calm. In this L is silent. In this L is silent. Calm.
Calm, peaceful.
Peaceful.
Villagers. Different words. A potter. A farmer. A fisherman. A carpenter. A cobbler. A shepherd.
Okay. Well said. Let's say claps for Akshara. You come. Tanvi. Say action words. Read.
Carrying cloth. Making pots. Mending slippers. Making furniture.
Bringing fish.
Taking
Okay, that means
his sheep back home.
okay. Well said. Claps for Tanvi. You come and read one sentence. Read one sentence here. What is the first sentence?
This is a village.
Oh wow. Well said. Go to the place. Claps for what is your name? Srija. You come. What's your name? Srinidhi. You are the new student? Yes, yeah, you come. You read second sentence. The. Wait. Village. Village. Here. Is. Calm. Calm. Okay, you learn. You focus on reading. You come forward and read another part of the sentence. Peaceful. It is a peaceful village. Okay, well read. Claps for Pujita. You come. Bhavyasri. Read the third sentence.
The villagers are
busy. Busy. With works. Say all of you. The villagers are busy with works. Okay, well read. Next, come. What's your name? Ramesh. Yes. Read. The potter
is
MAKING making POTS pots. Read. The potter is making pots. Okay, go. You come. Fifth sentence.
The farmer is carrying a cloth.
Read.
The farmer is carrying a cloth.
Very good. Claps for Varun Tej. You come, Prashant. Next, read sixth sentence. Come fast. Read. The fisherman is bringing
fish.
Fish. Say loudly, everyone.
The fisherman is bringing fish.
Okay. Try again. Okay. You come. Shiva. Read seventh sentence. Carpenter. The carpenter is
Making
FORNITURE Furniture. The carpenter is making furniture. Good, good. Practice more. You come. Akshay, read the 8th sentence. What is this? COBBLER. The cobbler is MENDING. Mending. SLIPPERS. Slippers. The cobbler is mending slippers. So focus on reading. Okay. You come. What is this? Read.
The shepherd is
taking his sheep back home. Read again. The shepherd is taking his sheep back home. Clap for Sanasi. Okay, this is all about the bridging gap activity. Picture 2. So can anyone describe the picture? Like this is a village. It is calm and it is a peaceful village. Okay, and the potter is making pots and the farmer is carrying plough and the fisherman is bringing fish and the carpenter is making furniture and the cobbler is mending slipper and the shepherd is taking his sheep back home. Like this. Who can say? Ever cheptara itla? Can anyone say? You come, Tanvi. You can say. This is a village like that.
This is a village.
It is the village is
calm.
It is a peaceful village. Potter. The potter is
making pots.
The farmer is
carrying plough.
the plough.
The carpenter is
Making
furniture.
Yes.
The cobbler is
Mending
mending slippers. The shepherd is
Taking.
taking his sheep back home. The fisherman is
bringing.
bringing fish.
Okay, well said, Tanvi. Class for Tanvi. All of you. Okay, well said. Have a bright future. Okay, children. This is all about the bridging gap activity. Okay. Now you have to do activities on your workbook. Okay. Do.